Ready to transform your ideas into standard documents? Discover how to harness the power of Canva Docs in this easy-to-follow guide. Whether you are crafting a resume, a presentation, or a social media post, we will show you tips and tricks to make your project pop. Say goodbye to boring templates and hello to professional-looking designs in just a few clicks. Join us and unleash your creativity today. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Canva Docs. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide variety of visual content, including documents, presentations, social media graphics, and more. Canva Docs is a feature within Canva specifically designed for creating text-based documents, copying the simplicity of a word processor with the design flexibility of Canva. Users can easily incorporate images, graphics, and templates to enhance their documents, making it an ideal tool for both personal and professional projects. So to get started, you have just to sign in up and write your personal information and find your account. So this is my account. So the first thing that you have to do is just click for Docs and you'll find this page. So it's a little bit like Google Docs, but the difference we have here the templates and the design. So on general we have the design. For example, we have templates here, elements, brand, if you want to upload something, products, apps, and we have QR code also. So for example, if you want to just add something, you will add a paragraph here. As you can see, so here for example I will add firstly a title. For example, I will add here a title. I will select firstly the size. For example, I'll put it here 72. I will select bold, the color also, and I will write, for example, book. So let's wait. I will write it firstly. I'll put it here like that. I will write book. Then I'll modify the size. I'll just put it 72. Just go here and I will click over 72. I will also choose here the bold one. And this is it. And I will put it here in the middle. Alright. Then if we come back, I will just select this one also. I will put it as a first hidden and I will select here italic like that. The color, I will select the gray color. And then I will just come back here and I will select, for example, all this one. I will select also here the size if you want. And I will select also the color. So I'll put it here like that. And here we have it. I will add this word. As you can see, and here we have it how it works. So it's just an example. And right now I will just go here and I will delete all this one. Then I will just go to the second hidden here. I will just select, for example, here the size. For example, I will just put it as a first hidden like that. I will put it in the color gray. And this is it. Also, I will select that italic. As you can see. And then I will just come back here and I will select also this one. And I will click over the blue one. The same with this one. As you can see. Alright, this is it. How it looks right now. And for example, if you want to add elements here, if you want to add also templates, for example, if you want to add this one, just you click over it and you add, for example, this one if you want. Also, if you want to add other things here, and for example, if you want to add elements, the elements, for example, we have graphics here, as you can see, and other things, for example, we search for the videos, photos. Then here we have the brand. If you want to add logos, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, icons. Then we have here uploads. If you want to, for example, upload something here, as you can see. Alright, then we have, if you want to add a heading here, I'll just write it here like that, as you can see. Then we have here other options, like if you want to add projects such as designs here, etymology, and we have entitled design if you have the fonts they want, and images. Then here we have apps also, as you can see. And we have here, if you want to add magic write, use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. You click over generate. Then here we have other options. For example, we have here magic write, design, hidden, subhidden, body. We have table, divider, page break, checklist, button list. For example, if you want a checklist, just write, for example, like that. As you can see, it's just kind of to-do list. So we have various options here, and we have also here button list, numbered list, column, 2 column, and if you want 3 column, 4 column, as you can see. And we have other options here. For example, also we have here highlight blocks, codes, then we have mention, date, drop down, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, embed, and if you want an emoji, and if you want to help also. Here we have also the, if you want to zoom out, if you want to zoom in also, as you can see. So Canva Docs empowers users to create visually appealing documents effortlessly. With its user-friendly interface and vast array of design tools, it bridges the gap between traditional word processing and creative design. Whether you are drafting reports, resumes, and or presentations, Canva Docs allows you to express your ideas in a polished and engaging way. Dive in today and elevate your document creation experience. So once you're done, you have just to share here, click over the button share, and you'll find here are various options. If you want, for example, here, only you can access the design using this link. Here we have also anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. And also here we have other people groups. You can just write the people group. And we have here other options from download, public view link, and see all here. So for example, we have various things here. If you want to share, save, or options. Then here we have save to folder, public view. If you want to public this one, create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view-only version of this design. No sign required. You have just to click over create link with watermarks. And this is how it works. And also you have the option, if you did a mistake, you have just to click over in the hero. As you can see, this is how it works. All right. So I'll just come back, and this is how it looks firstly. So here we have it, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.